Hello everyone and welcome to my new tutorial on the Smart Assistant channel. Have you noticed that scrolling in Safari on your iPhone isn't quite as smooth as you would expect? The good news is that there's a hidden 120Hz option that Apple doesn't really talk about. In this tutorial, I'll show you how to enable it and make browsing websites noticeably smoother. The first thing you need to do is open Settings. Once you're in Settings, scroll all the way down, and at the bottom of the page, you'll see a section called Apps. Tap on it. In the Apps section, you'll see a list of all the applications on your phone. Scroll down and find the Safari app. When you find it, tap on it. Once you're on the Safari settings page, scroll all the way down to the bottom of the list and tap on Advanced. Then, in this section as well, scroll all the way down, and at the bottom of the list, you'll see a section called Feature Flags. Tap on it. Here you'll see various options and settings that you can enable or disable related to Safari. You need to find the option called Prefer Page, rendering updates near 60 frames per second. Scroll down and locate it. When you find it, tap the switch next to it to turn it off. After doing this, the 120Hz mode will be activated in Safari. And that's everything for this video. I hope you found it helpful. If you did, leave a like, share the video with your friends, and subscribe to my Smart Assistant channel. Thank you very much for watching, and I'll see you very soon.